Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome
Morning, sir.
back to geography class. Okay, only Fisan is interested to say good morning back. Others are reserved or they are reserving their energy at least. Okay, all of you, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Okay, so fine. So listen, good morning to all. So it's the first lesson of the day. Okay, so today we know that the geography class already we started discussion of one particular chapter termed manufacturing industries. Yeah, this I know that. Manufacturing industry. Tell me, Vizan, what we discussed from that particular chapter, manufacturing industries. Yeah, good morning, Karthik. Ah,
Manufacturing needs raw materials and
ah, ah. And
some workers to
okay, so something you heard about that. Okay, let it be. So in the last class, we discussed about the importance of industries. Importance of industries. Okay, so this is a second term portion, second term chapter, which means it is not an objective examination or MCQ type question paper. It's a descriptive one. Okay, so this entire chapter is important. If I say the questions, so it is your responsibility to mark or write that questions in textbook or the places where it's convenient. Maybe you are using a notebook for geography, okay, or a file for that. So just write all those questions there, or at least in the textbook. So later it is helpful for you people for reference. Okay, tell me first.
Sada geography. Can we discuss the questions?
What questions?
Some MCQ questions that our
Definitely we will discuss. I told now when I correct that paper correction, okay, we will start discussion of that same. Don't worry now. Okay, so time is there. So come back. So today we want to move with a new topic that is industrial location. Industrial location. And we discussed about the contribution of industry in the national economy also. There also you have to write a question. You already wrote that. Okay. The role of or the contribution of manufacturing industries in the national economy or to the national economy. That's what the question. Okay. Next one, industrial location. We just started discussion or started discussing the importance of industrial location. So, if you are a producer of one particular product, for example, now Mr. Karthik is going to start a chocolate manufacturing company. Okay, so before starting that manufacturing company, okay, Karthik want to think about various things. Clear, clear or not? Tell me, Karthik, what are those things you are worried about? Land, availability of land. Yes, he need a particular geographical area to start that manufacturing industry, right? Then Karthik purchased that land. Then
labor,
availability of cheap labor, land, labor. Okay, so we need good workers, skilled workers in our factory. Then only we are able to produce the product in good quality and in on time on time. Okay, Sweda, what happened, Sweda? Is CED Musa playing there? CED Musa? Sweda, just now joined. Sweda, what is going on? Okay, come back. Let it be. Sweda just join. Okay. Then Karthik, tell me, lands, labor.
raw materials,
Then availability of raw material. Okay, clear or not? Cheap availability of raw material. Then next,
transportation,
transportation. Okay, here Karthik want to bring that those raw materials to his factory, and after finishing the production, again he want to use the transportation facilities to bring or send this product to the market to sell and make profit. Okay, these are the basic things. Any other things are there, Mr. Karthik? No. You want electricity or not? Do you want water or not? Want communication facilities? Yes. Okay. These things also are necessary. Lakshminanda is writing something very seriously. Lakshminanda, are you writing screenplay for any other Mohanlal movie? Lakshminanda. Story screenplay by Lakshminanda CV. No. Okay, then what are you writing there? Listen carefully first. Okay, then I will give you time to write the things there. Don't worry. Okay, so these are the basic things there. Basically, we think about the place, okay, and the transportation facilities to that particular area. Anyway, Karthik will not choose the Western Ghats mountain ranges to start his factory because there is no transportation facility available. All right or not? There is no electricity available. There is no, what you can say, communication facilities are available there. Okay, water might be there. Okay, clear. But other facilities are not available, so he will not start. So he will choose an area where all these facilities are cheaply available. Okay, cheaply available, cheap land, cheap labor. Okay, cheap capital in the sense of money that what we are investing to start an industry is basically termed as capital. Money that we are investing to start an industry. Clear? Example: there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and what is the final one? Final one. What is the last factor? Told you there are four factors are there, right? For production, there are four factors. They are land, labor, capital, organizer. Okay, the simple economics, people. Simple economics. Okay, land, labor, capital, and organizer. So, organizer is the person who investing money, that means the capital, to purchase land and purchase raw material, and he is the one who's giving away wages or salary to the workers or laborers, right? Clear or not? Clear or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
an organizer is a compulsory one here. So Karthik is the organizer here, right? Clear. So
Sir.
Navneet Krishna starts. So Navneet Krishna is the organizer here, right? Clear or not? So you want to spend money. That's what capital investment. Okay, before investing the capital, we'll think about all other facilities. Okay, transportation facilities, first of all. Okay, availability of electricity, availability of water, availability of labor, everything we will think before start. What happened, Isha? Fever, headache, or something?
Nothing, sir.
Isha. Huh?
I don't know. No.
No. Okay. So come back everyone. So that's it. That's it. Okay. So these are the factors of production, basically speaking. So we will think about many other factors to start a factory or industrial unit, an industrial unit. Okay. So industrial locations are complex in nature. In your textbook, page number 64. Now I am also using the new textbook, almost the same like your book. Okay, so page number is exactly the same, 64. So industrial locations are complex in nature. These are influenced by availability of raw material. Availability of raw material. First category or first thing that we wanted to start an industry is what raw material. Without a raw material, industrial production is not possible. Right. So Anjali Priya started an industry, a small industry. Pickle making. Okay, Anjali Priya's pickles. Okay, Anjali pickles. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, Anjali Priya, tell me. Anjali Priya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What are the raw material needed to start your pickle manufacturing unit? Pickle or jam, whatever it is. Okay, so you start a jam factory. No.
Fruits.
Fruits. Then
Sugar.
sugar. Then
That much is there.
so she will take one fruit and squeeze it and mix it with the sugar and will paste on the bread.
Preservatives.
Is that the
Sir.
method, Anjali Priya?
Sir.
Huh? Ah.
Sir, we
Is
will
that?
add, sir, we will add preservative for long
Yeah,
last.
definitely. So see, Visa know everything there, right? Okay. So Anjali Priya, I will give one more chance to Anjali Priya. Look, Visa, wait then. Anjali Priya, tell me one more thing, one more chance for you. So you told that method of making jam is nothing but to take a fruit, if it's a pineapple, okay, or watermelon or apple, just squeeze it and add sugar with that. Is that the method to make jam, Anjali Priya? No. We want sugar, we want missionaries, right? Missionaries want or not? Missionaries want or not? Yeah, of course. Then electricity necessary or not? Yes. Okay. So that's not raw materials. Here, raw materials, what Anjali Priya told is correct. Preservatives you want. As per Pisan's idea, preservatives are necessary, fruits are necessary, sugar is necessary, water is necessary. Okay, so raw materials. Okay, so Anjali Priya started this particular jam manufacturing company in a city. Okay, in a city. Is there any availability of these particular products? Availability is there? Cultivation of these particular foods are possible in a city? No. But what is the good transportation facilities are available, right or not? good transportation facilities are available. So easily Anjali Priya can arrange these things there, right? Yes or no? She can purchase these things from the neighboring villages, right? Okay, she can arrange by spending less money because she started the factory in the proximity of a city or inside the city. So she is easily arrange all these products there. Clear? Next one. Okay. So Fisan. Okay, Fisan. Let's start an iron and steel factory. Fisan. Iron and steel factory. What are the raw material necessary for start an iron and steel factory? Fisan, tell me.
Machine.
Huh?
Other
I'm
machines.
asking only raw material, not any other things. Only raw materials.
Like machines that we are making.
No. Raw material, not the machines.
Iron, steel.
To produce iron and steel, what is the raw material?
Machines. And,
Again, machines. I told you, machines, it is not a raw material, man. It's an equipment what we are using to produce. Okay. But the raw material, example, you are eating rice. So don't say the utensils to make the rice there. Right. If you want the raw rice to make that one, right or not? Raw rice is necessary or not? Okay, first of all. So not the utensil, but the raw rice is the ingredient, right? Or it is the raw material. So for making iron and steel, what is the raw material here? What is the raw material for iron and steel industry? In class 81 particular chapter is there for you people. Okay, not studied that, I think. It is iron ore. What is that? Iron ore. Okay, clear. Iron ore, we will purify that. Okay, by adding other some chemicals. Okay, and we want coal. Why coal here? Coal. Yeah, Shania told the coal is necessary. What is the need of coal? The need of coal. If you want to melt this iron ore, okay, high temperature is necessary. Okay, great temperature is necessary. For producing that temperature, we need coal. Clear or not? Okay, electricity is not sufficient or not enough. Okay, that means we want much heat, so we are using coal for it. Clear? Okay, so extract iron ore. Sorry, we'll extract iron ore. Later, we'll purify it. We will melt it, and waste material will remove from that. Clear? Other chemicals also we will use to create or make this iron and steel. Okay, and waste material will remove from that iron ore, and we will collect the pure iron. Right? Understand? Okay, that's it. That's what iron and steel. So raw material is what? What is the raw material? Iron ore is the raw material, and coal is the raw material. Okay, clear or not? Okay, but these things are very bulk and heavy. So almost all the iron ore or iron and steel factory will start in the places where this iron ore and coal is available. Clear or not? Or near to those areas. Near to those areas, they will start this kind of factories because transportation is not that easy. Okay, and sugarcane industry. Okay, I mean not sugarcane industry, basically sugar industry. So Ravi started a sugar factory or sugar mill. Okay, so Ravi will start the sugar mill near to what? Near to petrol pump or near to airport or something?
No, sir.
Then where? Where will you start that? Near to her house because she want to come back to home for lunch, it seems. Okay. Is that correct? Shani said the correct answer. Okay. It is where sugarcane cultivation is present. Okay. Because sugarcane is a product. If you are transporting that for a long distance, it will become dry. Okay. Its glucose content will reduce. Okay. Yes. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
not near to your house. Okay, so near to a sugarcane cultivation area or sugarcane plantation available. There we will start a sugar mill to reduce the transportation. That doesn't mean that very close to the plantation, clear or not? Maybe kilometers difference will be there. Okay, 10-15 kilometer difference will be there. Thousands of kilometers, that's not possible. That's what I told you. Clear? Understand? So don't think that it is that much what we can say precious. Want to pluck from the field and want to keep in the factory. No, not like that. Okay, kilometers we can take 20 to 25 kilometers. There we can transport that. Okay, basically these vehicles will move on night time. Okay, they will avoid sunrise there. Okay. or sunrise, not sunrise, sunrise. Okay, Eva George, Lakshmi Nanda, Jesslyn, Maya Salvin, Alham Fatima, Dominica, Minha Sablim, Megnan Baiju, Vishnu Shaji, Sai Siddiq, Devasena Baiju, Delvin Chalu, Ashna Adani, Shania Simon, Megna Baiju, Minha Salim. Cameras are off. Turn on that. All of you. Okay, so Maria and Elsa,
It's
can you hear me? Hello.
it's
Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is the difference there. So we will think about this kind of things basically there. Okay, first or before starting in industry, we will discuss about, we'll think about these factors. Okay, first of all, raw material, labor availability, capital, power and market. What do you mean power here? What is power? What is power? Huh?
Power of the
Power of the Shiny Simon, the answer is correct.
power of that organizer.
Not the power of the organizer. So Superman want to start a factory, Mr. Fisan. Okay.
No. He
Not that power here. Nothing but don't make a confusion here. No worries. Okay, it is just electricity. What is that? Electricity. That's what the power here, right? Electricity. Okay. Whereas powerful people want to start this factors, means we want to call Rocky Boy. Okay, powerful people will come from powerful places. Okay, so Rocky Boy is unable to start this business. Okay, so power means what is that? What is that? Electricity. That is what power. Electricity. Okay, so just keep that idea in your mind. So we will think about all these things there, right? Before startup and industry, we will think about all these things there. So underline that. Consequently, manufacturing activity tended to locate at the most appropriate place where all the factors of industrial location are either available or can be arranged at lower cost. Okay, so the industries will start in a place where these raw materials or other factors are available, or we are able to arrange these things easily by spending less money. Cheaply we are able to arrange it. Clear? Basically, we will start the factories in such areas. Okay, is that clear? Lance says hello. Okay. Sometimes industries are located in or near the cities. Thus, industrialization and urbanization go hand in hand. So this idea also you have to understand. Okay. Industrialization and urbanization both will go hand in hand. So in one place, example, Fisan started what factory? Iron and steel factory, right? So Fisan's iron and steel factory became a successful industry in the world. So Time magazine selected Fisan is the new organizer or the best organizer of the year award. Okay, that goes to Mr. Fisan. So Fisan's factory is world famous. Okay, clear or not? So number of workers are in Fisan's factory, right? Clear? And they choose to live nearby the factory only. So number of quarters, okay, labor quarters are there for workers, managers, okay, superintendents. Number of quarters are there. And Raya hasn't got an idea. These families, they have kids, right or not? Want to start a school for them. So Raya started a school in that locality. Okay. So Sanya got an idea. This school started, right? So school students want books, stationery items. So Sanya started a stationery shop. Clear or not? And Roshan Jain, he got another idea. Okay, anyway, these people will prone to diseases. We start a hospital. Of course, he started a hospital there. Gauri Nanda, an insurance agency there. Okay, Isha started a supermarket for them. Okay, clear or not? So Anjali Priya got that. Oh, number of people are there. So we will start the jam factory itself. Okay, so Anjali Priya started her jam factory in that area only. So what happened? That area that developed. The particular, what you can say, a rural area where Fisan started that industry, there was a rural area. Now number of institutions are there. So that area turned as a city, an urban area, right? An urban area, right or not? Okay, so industrialization and urbanization will go hand in hand. So number of other industries started. Okay, clear or not? So Revu got an idea, so I can start a cycle factory because iron is available cheaply from Fisan's factory. So Fisan is my classmate, so he will give this for cheap rate. So Revu started a cycle factory, Revu cycle. Okay, So Adulya started a motorcycle company there. Adulya Motorcycles there. So number of factories are there. So Lenas here waiting to start something there. Lenas here, you can make a puppet making company there. Okay. So Lenas here started a company that making puppets. Okay. Later and chips. Okay, fine, whatever it is. Okay. So number of factories are the industries are there. Okay. So altogether that particular area also developed. The area also developed. Clear? So industrialization. So Lakshminanda waiting. What I will start there. Lakshminanda. Lakshminanda, you have any idea? Can you put any type of protection? No, Lakshminanda want to think. Okay, okay, Lakshminanda can start an ice cream factory or food care factory. So one person has already started an ice cream factory. Who is that? Oh, maybe that is class A, I think. Okay, let it be. Come back. So you got that idea, right? So industry started. Related with that, number of institutions flourished there. Clear or not? So again, number of other industries also will start to make use of these facilities. Okay, make use of this facility. So a particular city that developed related with an industry, that kind of development is termed as agglomeration. What is that? Agglomeration. Okay. Oh, that area is totally will develop. The economy of that area will develop, or economic transaction of that area will develop. That is called to be agglomeration economy. Agglomeration economy. So that word is very important for us. Agglomeration. What is that? Agglomeration. Okay. Come back to the chapter here. So some industries are located in or near to the cities. Thus, industrialization and urbanization go hand in hand. Cities provide markets and also provide services such as banking, insurance, transport, labor, consultants, and financial advisors. Clear? So number of such kind of facilities are available in a city. So number of other industries also will start in that particular area because almost all the facilities are available there. Okay, all infrastructure facilities are there. So number of factories again and again and again, number of factories we can start there. Right? Clear or not? So this is together. All this development is basically termed as what that agglomeration. What is that? Agglomeration. Please underline that. Everyone, please underline that. What is this agglomeration? Okay. Gradually, large industrial agglomeration take place. Clear? Underline that area. You can see here, many industries tended to come together to make use of the advantages offered by the urban centers known as agglomeration economies. Many industries tended to come together to make use of the advantage offered by the urban centers known as agglomeration. Urban centers, cities, city centers known as agglomeration economies. Okay. Hope this idea is clear for you people. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Okay. So I will give 2 minutes for you people. Please read that. 2 minutes. Okay. So today we discussed about the industrial location and agglomeration. Okay, agglomeration. So up to here we discussed here. So in pre-independence period, most manufacturing units were located in places from the point of view of overseas trade such as Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. Consequently, there emerged certain pockets of industry developed urban centers. Okay, surrounded by a huge agricultural rural hinterland. So before independence, basically almost all our industries is connected with or located in the cities of Mumbai, okay, Chennai. Today's Mumbai, today's Chennai, today's Kolkata. Okay, at that time it is termed as Bombay, Madras, Calcutta. Okay, clear? Because basically the producers exported their items, their finished products to other countries. Clear? So they used overseas trade. Ships they used to export their goods from our country to another countries. Clear? Understand? So almost all the industry started in those regions. Those are regions. Clear? And today also we can say that there are a number of industries are there in the cities like Bombay, Kolkata, and Chennai. Okay, at the same time, those areas are totally covered by agricultural area. Is that clear? Clear or not? Okay. Okay. So always an organizer will think about transportation facilities to factory. Clear? Basically, he spend money to purchase the raw material. Okay, capital goods means machines and tools, and he will install all these things in the factory and produce the products by using labor. Later, using the transportation facilities to send this finished product to the market. Why market? Why the producer want to send this product to the market? Why it is so? Any reason? Why the producer wanted to send this product to the market? Any answers? Adulevius? Why the producer sending this product to the market? Hmm?
Sir, so they can get the products really available the product really cheaply and
Available product in sense. Example, Fisan produced iron and steel, and Fisan sending this product to the market. Why? To visit the market?
no to get
Yeah.
money salary. They will sell the market, they will get money. How
Definitely. They have to sell these finished products in the market, right? Yes or no? After completing the production, the producer will send this product to the market to sell the product in the market and sell the product in the market that help them to fetch profit, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes, of course. That's what. Again, that money the producer will use to purchase raw material and giving away wages for the workers. Again and again, he will produce the product and will send to the market and sell it. Again, will give earn money, profit. Again, it's a cyclical process. Cyclical process. You can see that in your textbook. A flow chart is there. Okay. Linkage of industry with the market. Industry market linkage. So money basically using by the producer to purchase raw material from the market, okay, and using this to produce the finished product by using land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, infrastructure, and sending that to the factory. Again, the finished product to the market by using transport facilities. Okay, so this is cyclical process. Cyclical process. That's what the flow chart here. Okay, money using to purchase the raw material and sending that to the factory by using transportation facilities, and in the factory by using land and other facilities or other inputs. He will convert that into finished product. Again, using transport facility to sell that product in the market. Again, from the market, he will purchase the raw material. Okay, so it's a cyclical process. Cyclical process. Okay. So today we completed up to here. The key decision of a factory location is the least cost. Government policies and specialized labor also influence the location of industry. So the factors that are influencing the industry location, they are decision of the factory location is the least cost. Okay, availability of product for a less cost. Government policies and specialized labor, skilled and cheap labor availability are the factors that are responsible for the location of an industry. Okay. Any doubts? Okay, so today I read. Tomorrow it's a holiday, so enjoy your weekend. And the same time, we do one more class is there, I think, right? Is there or not? Okay. Okay, so we will meet at that time. Okay, please, thank you.